Today's story takes us to Cairo, Egypt, a city of vibrant culture, history, and in recent years a new wave of digital transformation. But for some, this rapid advancement in technology feels like a foreign world, creating a digital divide, especially for the older generation. Meet Ahmed, a college student who's grown up with the internet and smartphones, a world where technology is second nature. But as he looked around his neighborhood, he noticed something troubling. Many of the elders in his community were struggling to adapt to this digital era. They felt disconnected, left out of daily conversations that relied more and more on the online world. One day, Ahmed realized just how much this gap affected his own grandparents. They longed to stay in touch with family who lived far away and see photos and updates on social media, but the process was overwhelming for them. For them, even a simple video call seemed intimidating. Seeing this need, Ahmed came up with an idea. Why not teach them how to use these tools himself? He reached out to the community center and set up his first free IT class, open to anyone who wanted to learn. Word spread quickly, and Ahmed soon found himself with a small group of eager, if slightly apprehensive, students, all seniors in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s. They were excited yet anxious. For most of them, using a smartphone or navigating the internet felt almost impossible. In these early sessions, Ahmed taught them step by step, starting with the basics: how to turn on a phone, adjust the volume, make a call. As they grew more comfortable, he introduced them to texting, browsing, and even social media. Each lesson was like opening a new door, one that allowed them to see and talk to family across the country, or even reconnect with old friends. But Ahmed's classes became more than just technology lessons. They became a hub of connection. Seniors started arriving early to chat with each other, sharing stories of their lives and helping each other learn. What began as an educational initiative transformed into a true community. One elderly woman shared how, for the first time, she was able to see her grandchildren's faces on a video call, something she had never thought possible. Another senior shared how he reconnected with an old friend from school, all thanks to the newfound skills Ahmed had taught him. Ahmed's IT classes gave these seniors more than just digital skills. They gave them confidence and a sense of inclusion in a world that was quickly moving online. The elders began to feel connected, empowered, and capable of navigating the modern world. Today, Ahmed continues to volunteer his time, helping close the digital gap in his community, one lesson at a time. His story shows us that the knowledge we take for granted can make a world of difference to someone else. It reminds us that bridging generations can lead to a stronger, more connected society.